The first time when I just attended to your program, when you said the amount, I was thinking like, is it worth paying the amount? Because so when
Mm-hmm.
I just saw your advertisement, I just pitched in to know what it is, and the way sir explained it was really good. And the amount also, I thought a lot, and then I tried once. It didn't happen again. Then I thought might be it's not worth it. Let me not try. Then last try, the third time I did, and it happened. And really, these 3 days, it was really awesome. I've read 2, 3 SSR, but it was not that clear as what you explained, sir. I think now I feel like the big burden of NAAC is reduced for me.
Okay, that's
Now,
great.
if anybody could ask me, I would at least make them understand it is not a big deal. Only thing you need to understand and then explain about it. So,
Yes.
sir, I would thank you so much. You're a very good teacher and a mentor. It was
Uh-huh.
really helpful to me. I do not know how many of them got a benefit out of it, but I really had a very interesting and a knowledgeable class. Thank you so much, sir.